Hey there, struggling with carpal tunnel pain? You're not alone. Today I've got 5 simple home remedies to help you find relief. First up, ice therapy. Grab an ice pack or a bag of frozen peas. Apply it to your wrist for about 15 minutes. This can help reduce inflammation and numb the pain. Next, let's talk about heat. Sometimes, warmth is just what your muscles need. Try using a warm towel or a heating pad for 15 to 20 minutes. This can ease stiffness and improve blood flow. Third, yoga. Yep, yoga isn't just for relaxation. Specific poses can stretch and strengthen your wrist and hand muscles. Try the prayer pose or wrist stretches. It can make a big difference. Fourth on the list is acupressure. This ancient practice involves applying pressure to certain points on your wrist. You can use your thumb to press the point on your wrist crease in line with your middle finger. Hold for a few seconds, then release. Repeat as needed. Finally, castor oil. Massage a small amount of warm castor oil into your wrist and hand. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe pain. Remember, these remedies are not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your doctor for any medical concerns. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life. Thanks for watching.